Olá, eu me chamo Nara Brito Barroso, sou aluna da Uniacel e hoje irei realizar a atividade prática da matéria de recreação, lazer e cultura.
We don't have any boundaries, but there's something that I need to know. You said that you never doubt me, but it's time to get on with the show. Give me a reason, tell me about everything that you know. Give me the thing that you wanted all along. Sing me a song. It's the time that is fading.